Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cash EV. I'm back at it again with another video, man. Another POV in the cat. You hear me? But yeah, what's up, y'all, man? I hope y'all boys having a good day. We in the cat and it's raining, and I'm feeling a little risky. I'm in Eco right now, but I'm feeling a little risky. I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know down below in the comments what y'all thinking about, bro. But these windshield wipers finna blow the fuck out of me, bro. Them bitches keep making noise and shit. Like, be quiet, my nigga. God damn. But y'all, I'm feeling a little, huh? Woo! I feel a little risky, y'all. Allah. I don't know what kind of Durango this is next to me. That shit looking kind of hard, y'all. Oh, 392 Rango. Okay, cool. Oh shit, y'all. He got some big ass tires on the back of that bitch, though. For surely he do. Yeah, y'all. I wanna get some space, like. Whoops. Damn, that was a piece of. I was gonna say that was a piece of rain. That was a raindrop that sound like that. Oh shit, y'all. Yeah. The fuck is up with bro? This nigga over here tweaking on phone on great, shorty. Like, why is it, like, niggas be tripping out on everything. I'm trying to get a POV for my lovely supporters, and niggas on bullshit. The fuck this nigga looking at? Yeah, I was supposed to hit up some dealerships the other day, but I believe if it don't rain tomorrow, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I was gonna try today, but as y'all see, it's ugly as fuck today and shit, so. I got Durango again. I think I'm gonna have to get over sometime soon, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, bro. I don't know. The rain POP just give me a different vibe. Like, why the fuck are you stopping, gang? Oh my god. People don't know how to drive, bro. I be trying to drive, but niggas real deal don't be knowing how to drive. Oh shit, y'all. No way. What the fuck, y'all? Nah, I bet that shit look crazy on the outside. What the fuck? Oh shit. Hey, that shit was just crazy, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. That shit was just crazy, for real, for real. Hellcat POV in the rain. I gotta give y'all like a 20-minute video today, bro. For real, because, yeah, y'all, that shit was just insane. I can't cap. Then we got a puddle right here and shit. I ain't even gonna attempt to do nothing stupid, y'all. Oh shit. Hey, y'all, this shit crazy as fuck, y'all. What the fuck? This is nickname Scatty Pack over there. Give it a bone. I gotta leave. But yeah, bro. This is crazy. What the fuck? There's some dude next to me. I don't know what the fuck. Bro, looking at. He trying to, like, you know, like, so y'all know, like, people, like, right next to you, like, on the car, like, right beside you type shit, and they try to glance at you, like, look, without looking at the same time. That shit be the funniest shit ever, because it be like, nigga, I see you looking at me. And it's like, the fuck? Why you, like, excuse me. I don't understand why people be trying to make it seem like they not looking when they looking. Like, nigga, if you looking, at least say what's up or something, bro. Instead of just looking at me and not saying shit and just staring and shit. But, hey, man, to each is their own. Ain't that how it go? To each is their own, to each their own? No, I don't know, bro. Y'all let me know down in the comments. But I might have to do more of these rainy day Hellcat POVs because what the fuck? And you did that shit, you fucking burger boy. What the fuck, bro? Yeah, get your ass over, guys. Niggas be real deal dumb as fuck, bro. Niggas be... Ah, shit, y'all. We gotta turn. Let me make sure I put my signal on. Turn slow, because this shit'll get wicked out here. Oh, shit. Hold on, I got enough space right here. Let me see. I was wet right here, too. Let me see. Oh, shit, what the fuck? Hey, that shit fun. I ain't gonna lie, that shit fun. But I don't try to smash that shit too much because I'm not a certified Hellcat driver. I only had this shit for like, shit, almost a month. So hell no, I'm not even a certified Hellcat driver. Yeah, I can't even, I can't even attempt to do no crazy shit, bro, because, yeah, I never tried that shit before, so I'm not even gonna attempt to do that shit now. You feel me? So, shit. Hope y'all enjoying the video, man. Hope y'all enjoying the POV, the Hellcat video. Whatever y'all want to say, bro. Hope y'all enjoying the cat in the rain, bro. That's all I'm trying to say, for real, for real. But y'all, don't be mad at me. Look, check this out. Fuck. Shit won't come out. Look what I found for y'all, bro. Look what I fucking found, bro. So, I'm going to do a sliding every turn of my Hellcat POV. And I'm going to throw this on. And I'm going to do it for y'all. Yeah, I know y'all was gonna be on dick like, yo, bro, where's your head mount? Where's your head mount? Oh, bro just did some illegal ass shit. Oh, what the fuck? I know y'all just see that. What the fuck? This nigga, oh, what the? Nah, bro, gotta be going to jail. I ain't gonna snitch, but I mean, hey, there's some cameras somewhere around here. Where the fuck they at? Oh, they over there, look. Camera's right over there. Yup, got his ass. I ain't gonna snitch though, cause shit, I ain't no bitch ass nigga. But shit, if they catch him, that's just on him. I thought I was fucking, whatchamacallit? I thought I was fucking redlining or some shit. Yeah, I might have to get that muffler deleted, y'all, because I be hearing them pops and shit. Bro is riding with some shit on his window. Alright, y'all, let me get back with y'all in a second when I pick back up the camera. Don't leave, bro. Stay right here. Don't leave. Yo, what's good, y'all, man? So I am back. My bad, I had my bright lights on, but damn, I got the AC on and shit. But yeah, I'm back, man, and Yeah, we finna finish off this POV, give y'all a, you know what I'm saying, ending, a great ending to this POV, you feel me? Today was a great day, you know what I'm saying, very productive day. Vlogging in the bag of shit. I'm finna go get something to eat and then hit the crib so I can get a video for y'all for the main channel, you feel me? So if y'all do follow the channel, y'all don't follow that channel, you know what I'm saying, go fuck with that channel. Go fuck with that channel too, you feel me? I might do a different video for y'all tomorrow. Who knows? I'm gonna try to do a different video for y'all tomorrow so I can get like some good footage and shit like that. I might do the yo, bro, this is the second time I'm sitting there like this shit done happen, y'all. Bro, y'all have this shit is fucking crazy, but it didn't. So I wonder what happened. But y'all, I think what I'm finna do is I gotta get a haircut in the morning too. So look at all them niggas in that whip, y'all. Look at all them niggas in there. It's like 80 niggas in that bitch. Yeah, I'm gonna try to hit 100, like right here. Like right here, I'm gonna try to hit 100 just to see if I can in the cat. I think our light finna turn green. It's a brown BMW behind me too. Shit kind of hard. It's like a brownish / like bronze color type shit. Oh, he trying to race, y'all. He trying to race. I don't think he trying to race. He trying to race, y'all. I don't think he want to do it to himself though. That shit gonna be bad on him, especially if he got his little shorty in the car. She gonna be like, you let that Hellcat beat you? I tried, it didn't work, so yeah. And I just got hit with another fucking light, bro. I'm about to, this shit about to blow me, bro. Can all of y'all go, please, so I can, you know what I'm saying? Damn, that shit busted up. Alright, y'all go, man, so I could go too. Bet. Fuck with y'all boys, man. And I just got hit with another, yo, what's going on, bro? I'm so confused. Like, what is going on, bro? I just got hit with another light, bro. What the fuck type of shit is that? All right, we good. Let's go, y'all. Speed it up, man. Yeah, we back at it again with the big ass buildings. Let's see if I can get some lines for y'all. Ooh, shit, y'all. Ooh, shit, y'all. The wine's kind of crazy. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get y'all some good wine. Hold on, y'all. I'm doing good. Let me get y'all some wines real quick. Oh, shit. Why did he just stop right here like this? Like, bro, you had all that space up there. You gonna stop. Let me get y'all some more wines, man. I'm loving this POV right now. I can't lie. Look at this shit, y'all. What the fuck? What the fuck? That was just crazy. That was just crazy. What the fuck, bro? Nah, it was a car. It was a car behind me that was revving his engine. Nah, that's crazy. Nah, that is insane, bro. What the fuck, bro? Nah, that's crazy. Hey, I'm fucking weak, bro. What? Yeah, I'm fucking cried, bro, for real. Hey, man, say, man. But y'all, I definitely appreciate y'all for watching, man. Like, comment, and sub to the channel if you haven't already. It's your boy, Cash UV, and he back at it again with another freaking video, man. Y'all know I gotta, hold on, y'all. To end the video, y'all know I gotta get a little sideways real quick. It don't matter what street I'm on, you feel me? Hold on. I'm around a little curve right now, but hold on. Give me a second, y'all. Y'all know I gotta get a little sideways for y'all. Give me a second. Let me downshift real quick. Hold on, y'all. I know I gotta do it for y'all for the one time. Come on, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get with y'all in the next one.